We carry on now to question 5. Question 5 also is about network. These are the mostly frequently, if we check now the previous question papers, they are mostly there on question 5. For instance, you must go and study for local area network, wireless, local area network, and wide area network. There are advantages, disadvantages, definitions, and example. You must know network as a whole, the advantages and disadvantages, the hardware, the types of the hardware that you are going to use on networking. For instance, switch, wireless network, advantages and disadvantages, broadband versus dial-up, advantages, reasons and types, what is kept versus unkept, hotspot, and cloud computing. Now, when you quickly go back again to our question paper, that is question 5, what is happening there for question 5, right? There you go. Question 5 is about network. The CAT learners notice that all computers in Cyber Cafe are linked to network. What are the benefits of network? All right. Will the network of Cyber Cafe be an example of local area network or wide area network? And then now you need to name the disadvantages of running a network in a Cyber Cafe. There you again, hotspot. Hotspot is there. We have listed the hotspot. The digital divide. Some of the questions, they overlap. You can find them in question 5. You can find them in question 3. The best thing, you must know all your work, the content of grade 12. And then now we go down again to see what we can get. Look for RSS. RSS again, it is there. And then the social networking. Social networking again, it is listed on question 5. Right. We move to question 6. Question 6 is based on communication. Your email, must know the email, the attachment, CC carbon copy, and blind carbon copy. Email netiquette, security with emailing and guidelines. Web browser, search engine, radio frequency identification device. You must also know everything about green computing, voice over internet protocol, and phishing. Web-based email account, the advantage and disadvantages of using the web-based email, and then the verification of information on the internet, blog versus video blog, rich site summary, really simple simplification, advantage, definition, and the main purpose, mailing and distribution list, and social networking. Right. Now when you go to our questions down there, slowly, question 6. Right. As you can see, email is there for question 6. Name 3 netiquette of emailing, the rules of how to use the email. And then now web browser and the search engine. Right. Explain the difference between the carbon copy and the blind carbon copy field, and the spam. RFID, it is also there. And write down collective name used for broken, discarded, or unwanted electronic hardware. Everything about green computing, you must know that. Voice over internet protocol, Skype, it is there. So now these are the tips that you can use when you are studying now for your final examination. And now for question 7. Question 7, mostly the questions that are asked for question 7, it is for MS Word, Excel, and Access. Teachers work through the previous question papers with the learners on this question because it depends which application is going to be used for that particular question. Tips for success. Revision of the theory section of the work is best done by working out questions from previous question papers and verify your answers against memorandum. Ensure that you have covered the grade 12 content in full because this is going to assist you to be in a position to answer all the question papers in a question paper. I want to wish you everything of the best for your exams, and want also to thank you, the University of the Free State, for giving us this opportunity to help our learners during their examination.